In many small and medium-sized enterprises, complex process chains are often applied to manufacture various products. The existing complexity is reflected in problems that repeatedly occur in common production and workflows. For example, important maintenance can be missed, endangering the work process and leading to high time losses. Well-coordinated logistics as well as ergonomic working conditions are enormously important for a smooth workflow and help to avoid delays in supply chains. At this Saxony⁵ Co-Creation Lab, Factory of the Future can provide support. In cooperation with its partners, the Factory of the Future of the Saxon Universities of Applied Sciences develops intelligent concepts on the topic of Industry 4.0. The Model Factory Industry 4.0 is used to improve existing workflows or to plan and apply new concepts. It is also available for software companies to test their products and innovations. The Factory of the Future provides ideas and impetus to drive the digital transformation of production. The result is fewer problems because, for example, digitally recognized maintenance is carried out on schedule. Sick leaves are reduced due to physical relief through supporting mechanical assistance. Or paperwork is eliminated through applied RFID technology. Stop searching, start finding. This also benefits your partners. Together, we are creating the future with intelligent solutions.